Hey there, fitness newbies! Welcome to your new fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or getting back into the groove, this is the perfect place to begin. Ready to crank up your heart rate and torch some calories? Today, we're diving into a 10-minute cardio blast that's designed specifically for beginners. This 10-minute cardio blast is perfect for beginners. It's a great way to get your body moving, your blood pumping, and your energy levels soaring. It's quick, effective, and will leave you feeling energized. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy that carries you through all your tasks. No matter your fitness level, you can do this. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to ease back into fitness, this workout is adaptable to your needs. Let's get moving. Are you ready to feel amazing? Start by warming up those muscles. Stretch out, take a few deep breaths, and get ready to move. This workout is going to make you sweat and smile. As you follow along, remember to listen to your body. If you need to take a break, that's perfectly okay. You can do it. Let's go. Picture yourself finishing this workout strong, feeling accomplished, and ready to tackle anything. Proper form is key to getting the most out of your workout and avoiding injury. Watch closely as our trainer demonstrates each move. Follow along and try to mimic the movements as best as you can. Don't worry if you can't get it perfect right away. Practice makes progress. Remember to stay hydrated. Keep a bottle of water nearby and take sips whenever you need to. Hydration is crucial for maintaining your energy levels. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a fun and engaging workout. We'll be mixing up the exercises to keep things interesting and challenging. Working out with a group can be incredibly motivating. The positive energy and support from others can help you push through even the toughest parts of the workout. If you have a heart rate monitor, use it to track your progress. Seeing your heart rate increase can be a great motivator and a way to measure your improvement over time. After the workout, it's important to cool down. Stretching helps to relax your muscles and prevent soreness. Take a few minutes to stretch and breathe deeply. Congratulations! You've completed the workout. Give yourself a pat on the back and celebrate this achievement. Every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Building a sense of community is one of the best parts of group workouts. Connect with others, share your experiences, and support each other on this journey. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. You've got this. As you leave today, carry this sense of accomplishment with you. Let it fuel your day and remind you of what you're capable of. And always remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Keep moving, stay positive, and we'll see you next time. Ready, set, sweat. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body for the physical activity ahead. It helps increase your heart rate, gets your blood flowing, and loosens up your muscles, reducing the risk of injury. So, let's take a few minutes to get our bodies ready for the workout. We're going to start with 2 minutes of easy moves. These moves are designed to gradually increase your heart rate and get your muscles ready for more intense exercise. Remember, the goal here is to ease into the workout, not to push yourself too hard right away. First, march in place, bringing your knees up high. This simple move is great for getting your blood flowing and warming up your leg muscles. As you march, try to lift your knees as high as you comfortably can. Keep your back straight and engage your core to maintain good posture. Feel those muscles getting warm? Great. That's exactly what we want. Warming up helps to increase the elasticity of your muscles, making them more flexible and ready for the workout. It also helps to mentally prepare you for the exercise session ahead. Now, let's add some arm circles. This move is excellent for warming up your shoulder muscles and increasing the range of motion in your arms. Start with small circles and gradually make them bigger as you feel more comfortable. Swing your arms forward in big circles. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and smooth. This will help to prevent any strain on your muscles and joints. As you swing your arms, feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper back. Feel that energy building? Awesome! You're doing great! Warming up not only prepares your body physically, but also helps to get you in the right mindset for the workout. It's a time to focus on your breathing, clear your mind, and get ready to give your best effort. Keep up the good work, and let's get ready to move on to the main workout. Now it's time to get that heart pumping. We're going to do 3 different moves for 1 minute each. Don't worry, we'll take short breaks to catch our breath. You've got this. Remember, listen to your body. If you need to modify a move, that's totally fine. Just keep moving and have fun. Woohoo! You crushed that first minute. Now take a quick 20-second break. Catch your breath, take a sip of water, and get ready to rock the next move. You're doing fantastic. Remember, every step you take, every jump you make is a victory. Keep pushing. You've got this. Section 5. Jumping jacks. Blast off. Get ready to blast off with some jumping jacks. Remember, keep your core engaged and land softly. If you need a modification, try stepping side to side instead of jumping. Feel that energy surge. Keep those arms and legs moving. You're a jumping jack superstar. Section 6. Modified burpees. Feel the burn. Time to feel the burn with some modified burpees. Start by stepping back into a plank position, then step forward and stand up tall. If you're feeling strong, add a little hop at the top. You're building strength with every rep. Keep pushing, you're almost there. Section 7. Side-to-side skaters. Glide to the finish. Get ready to glide with some side-to-side skaters. Take big steps from side to side, landing softly on each foot. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. You're a cardio machine. Keep those legs moving. You're almost at the finish line. Section 8. Cool down, relax, and recharge. Amazing job. You've worked hard, and now it's time to give your body the care it deserves. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your muscles recover, reduces soreness, and brings your heart rate back to normal. So let's take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in and transition into a state of relaxation and rejuvenation. Now let's cool down with some gentle stretches. These movements will help ease any tension in your muscles and promote flexibility. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly bend forward, reaching for your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Hold this position for a few breaths, allowing your body to relax into the stretch. Step forward with one leg and reach your arms overhead. This stretch targets your hip flexors, shoulders, and upper back. As you hold this position, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Switch sides and repeat the stretch, feeling the gentle pull in your muscles. Remember, the goal here is to relax and recharge, so move at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Feel those muscles relaxing. As you stretch, visualize the stress and fatigue melting away from your body. This is your time to unwind and let go of any lingering tension. Stretching not only helps with physical recovery, but also calms the mind, preparing you for the rest of your day or evening. Embrace this moment of tranquility and give yourself the gift of relaxation. Take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back. You've accomplished something great today, and you deserve to celebrate it. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your muscles and calm your nervous system. As you inhale, imagine drawing in positive energy, and as you exhale, release any negative thoughts or feelings. This simple act of self-care can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. You just rocked your 10-minute cardio blast. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and the progress you've made. Every step, every stretch, and every breath brings you closer to your fitness goals. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Remember, consistency is key, and every effort counts. Keep up the great work and continue to prioritize your health and wellness. You've got this. Section 9. You did it! Congratulations, superstar! You crushed it! Remember, every workout is a step towards a healthier you. Keep up the amazing work. Now go ahead and leave a comment below. Tell me how you feel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome workouts. You're a fitness rock star. Keep shining.